So they are the radar base from the Vietnam War. Da Nang is just middle of Vietnam, and this city is very important for national security. Yeah, and then you can see here we have a fishing village, and you know the name of the boats on the sandbank there. How do you call that boat? We call that it is a part of our program. Yeah, so its name is the basket boat. Basket boat. Yeah, so the day after tomorrow, today Sunday, tomorrow Monday, and then Tuesday we have a basket boat ride in Hoi An. Experience for you. Yeah, so we use the basket boats in Vietnam a lot for catching squid. Sometimes if your wife shouts at you, you don't know where to hide, and then we take the basket boat, we go somewhere in the middle of the ocean, we have drinking together. Yes, in the middle of nowhere. We don't care about, you know, their problems anymore.
Alright, the plan is we're going to go on a basket boat, but I think we're walking through this little town. Let's see what happens. It's a boat you sit in and you drive it.
What's this country again?
Vietnam.
So we're just learning about Vietnam places?
Yeah. Is that a restaurant? Oh, check out the... I want to get one of these hats. One before we leave, I'd like to. Watch out. Oh, that's them right there. See, that's what it looks like. It's a basket boat.
They look short. So I thought... Oh, it's over there. Okay.
Alright, here we go. In the basket boat. Look at all these guys. They're lining up. Oh wow. Oh, don't turn it.
Hello, xin chào.
Say, hey. What's your name?
Coconut water.
Ah. And what's your name?
Nhâm.
Yep, your name?
Yeah, Lin.
Okay.
My name Lin.
Ben?
Yeah, okay.
I'm Jason David.
Yeah, okay. Where you from?
United States.
Yeah.
America. There we go. I'm gonna put my sunglasses on for this. It's bright, it's hot, humid. Oh wow, look at them all over here. There's a lot of boats. It's humid.
Let's go. Ba chia.
Rồi, bay vô đây. Đây, bay vô. Đây, đừng có đi vô. Bay vô đây, đừng có đi vô.
Oh, at least there's a little breeze now. Oh, there's crabs in there. Wow. They're so tiny. No meat. another little village there.
Bye. Okay, ba, photo. Kami photo. Okay, 1, 2.
Oh.
Okay.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Oh, look at that boat.
Kind of looks like palm trees, but short ones. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe and ring the bell.
Oh yeah, I gotta ring the
And comment.
bell. Oh, do we have to wear it?
We're gonna go swimming.
In case I fall in.
Yeah. It's so hard with this.
Alright, hold on, I gotta put Alright, got my jacket on. Couldn't put it on. Too tight. Oh wow, look at this group.
Lá quá, biết mình là con đảo lẹ.
Oh wow. You don't have to buckle it. Oh, that feels good now, the breeze.
Mỹ Tho. Bà chia, bà chia, Okay, let's go. Fast. Let's go. Đây Mỹ. Let's go. Apa ganam sai? Seselai deh. Apa ganam sai?
Alright, we're getting further down. Oh, doing good. She's resting in the coffee shop. Yeah.